so we'll start to cook our healthy and budget ulam for our family. So, ito intentionally, pinatubo ko talaga to kasi nga, I want to cook, personally to for my family. So, sama to sa ating ingredients na lulutuin ngayon. So, ito yung alokbati na tinatawag nila. So, yan. Oops. Meron pang ano. Yan. So,
One malung guys.
So, meron din sili si Mr. dito. Yan. So, that's the sili, no? So, part of our healthy ingredients is the malunggay. So, ito. Nagkuha na tayo ng ilang piraso na kasi nakakuha na ako. So, yan. Let's start to cook! So, ito yung ating mga ingredients. Yan, of course, yung ating sardines. Tapos, yung ating tokwa na binabad ko ng konti sa seasoning. And of course, yung ating bawang at saka sibuyas. And ang ating masustansyang alokbati. And also, ating moringa o malunggay. So, that's all. And also, you can use yung pang-asim natin. Pwede yung ating sinigang mix or kung wala, kahit yung ordinary suka lang. Tofu, fry lang natin sila. So, yung fry them. Side lang natin sila. Pwede naman kung may paper towel kasi wala ako yun. Tapos, pwede rin yung strainer. If you have. Okay, it's okay. Bago naman yung batch na to ng ating tofu. Lasan ko lang yung ating mantika. So, let's start to gisa for our sardine. Sibuyas, of course. Sibuyas. Madali lang na madali. Masarap. Basta, gawat natin. Mag-fry din. So, ito alam ko, kulang pang mamaya, ilalagay ko na lang how much is ito lang konting water. Dahil kumukulo na our ang ating malunggay. We can put, ayan, ako, sinigang mix. So, kayo, pwede naman kung may suka, ordinary suka. Malis lang niya. So, kailan natin yung ating tofu. Ayan. So, tapos na yung ating healthy and budget ulam for today. So, yan. So, if I were you, kung wala pa kayong alokbati at saka malunggay sa inyong bakuran, pwede kayong humingi kasi ano lang naman talaga to. At pwede rin kayong magtanim kasi madali lang silang tumubo. So, that's it for today. Let's eat our food and lunch. If it is your lunch or dinner, pwede din. God bless!